So if we talk about tool calling, so tool calling, it requires accurate intent classification. We have to classify the intent of the prompt. It has to be accurate. And then parameter extraction and structured output. So tool calling, it requires accurate intent classification, parameter extraction from the input, from the prompt, and structured output generation. So often, for tool calling purposes, mid-tier models, they perform well. Mid-tier models, they perform well. And for tool calling, deterministic settings preferred. And schema alignment is very important because the structured output, it has to follow the alignment is very important. Because of that only we will be able to call the tool. Otherwise, tool calling would not be possible. So schema alignment. So for tool calling, now it's very clear that for tool calling, the main objective is to accurately classify the intent, parameter extraction, and structured output. So with mid-tier models also, we can consider the tool calling. So mid-tier model, deterministic settings are preferred and schema alignment is very critical. So for tool calling, mid-tier models, it performs well.